You already put on the new headlights, bro. Y'all gotta go check that video out to see that animation. I'm telling y'all, these headlights are so hard. And I just swapped over my LED bulbs from my OEM housings, which are in there now. Put them on there. So yeah, man, we gotta put the bumper back on. We gotta plug my fog lights, plug them back into the housings, and then screw the bolts in, put the fender liner back on, and that should be it. You know what I'm saying? Put them clips back on. So I'm finna go ahead, sit y'all right here. All right, that should be good. And then I gotta try and find that other one. I don't know where the other one went. But go ahead and give y'all the picture real quick. So this is what it looked like now. In the end, man, it's definitely gonna be worth it, bro. No, it's really gonna be worth it. Just like I said, I cannot wait to actually do the full walk around video where you feel me, when the car is finished, when everything is done. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Y'all see the title. We finna go ahead and put my OEM front bumper back on. Now if y'all don't know, the last few videos, you know what I'm saying, we had the OEM bumper off, basically test fitting the SRT front bumper, see how it fit, how everything looked and everything with that on. Then we put the new headlight houses on, which are so fire, bro. Y'all please go check that video. I'm telling y'all, them headlights are so hard, bro. I swear they are. And then after we put them on, we had to drill out the holes for the SRT front bumper. So when we get ready to put it on, it'll go on, you know what I'm saying? We can put the clips in and put the bolts in. So we had to do all that while the OEM bumper was off. So now I'm done for the day. I gotta put my bumper back on so I can drive my car. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to drive it with no bumper on and then risk like turning up the condenser or the radiator. The condenser is brand new, so I cannot risk turning that up. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, man, we finna get right into this video. Like I said, it should be quick, easy. You know what I'm saying? We literally just throwing the bumper right back on the car, and then we're gonna see how them headlights look with the OEM bumper, and then we're gonna focus on trying to get the SRT bumper right. You know what I'm saying? Primer, paint, sand. You know what I'm saying? Throw it on the car. But I'm trying to wait until my lower grill come in for that car. I already got it, already ordered. It should be coming in within the next 2 days. It said Monday, today's Saturday. It should be coming in Monday, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we finna get right into this video. Like I told y'all, just throwing the bumper back on. That's all I'm doing. I gotta put the clips back in. I gotta go and get some extra clips because some of them was missing. You feel what I'm saying? So finna get right into it, man. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. Show the channel, show these videos, keep growing and elevating together. And like I said, man, this should be quick, you know, just throwing the bumper back on. So catch y'all once we get outside the car. All right, y'all, outside of the car now. Like I told y'all, man, we already put on the new headlights, bro. Y'all gotta go check that video out to see that animation. I'm telling y'all, these headlights are so hard. And I just swapped over my LED bulbs from my OEM housings, which are in there now. Put them on there. So yeah, man, we gotta put the bumper back on. We gotta plug my fog lights, plug them back into the housings, and then screw the bolts in, put the fender liner back on, and that should be it. You know what I'm saying? Put them clips back on. So I'm finna go ahead, sit y'all right here. All right, that should be good. Now we finna test and see if my little cuts that I did in the last video on this side of the headlight housings work. Maybe I need to focus on getting one side of it. Okay, this is definitely gonna be a lot harder than the KVD bumper, because this bumper don't give no bends or nothing, but that KVD bumper bent for me a little bit. Whenever I need it. face the way. There we go. Alright, got this side. Almost got this one. Alright. So I think I cut a little bit too much on the side, but it's fine. Front bumper, back on now. Back on. Yeah, I cut a little bit too much on the sides, but like I said, it's okay. It's fine because this bumper will be coming off anyway. So now we can move on to the sides. I gotta tighten up or put these bolts in. So where the bolt at? Oh man, somebody done been out here meddling. Now my bolt missing. Come on, bro. Somebody been out here messing with my stuff. So I guess I'm gonna just go ahead and put the clips on first then. Yeah, somebody been out here meddling. And then move my clips. I mean my bolt. Which one? Alright, one in. Alright man, so I don't know who done moved my screw, but I done found one to use. So let me sit y'all here real quick. And let me go ahead and put this screw up in here. So yeah, like I said, I don't know who moved my screw, where it went, but I found something to use and it's working. So I'm just gonna have to be the temporary fix until I either find that screw or I just go and buy some. Oh. But as of now, it worked because it's tight. Now I gotta put these little clips back in, you know what I'm saying? This is my brand new one. Like I told you, I had some, but some turned out to be just one, so I don't have no more. It's the only one I have. So we're just going to use that and make it do. Use it and make it do. And I'm gonna have to just get some more. That's all I can do, you know what I'm saying? Just get some more. Cause whoever worked on my car last show didn't return my clips, you know what I'm saying? All my clips is gone. So I'm definitely going to have to give me some more. Just go to, come on. Just go to some OEM stores and see if they just have some clips, you know what I'm saying? Ooh-wee. Oh, this might be too tight to try and squeeze up in there. Maybe I put this one under the hood and put a different one. Put a different one up in here. Because goodness, I can't even get this out now. There we go. Yeah, this mug is tight. Yeah, well that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this one under the hood and bring one that's under the hood down here. But while I'm here, we can go ahead and do, ooh, my bad, I almost pulled y'all off my lens. We can go ahead and do the fog light stuff while I'm down here. Maybe I should have done the fog lights while the bumper was getting ready to go on the car. Cause now I can't even see. I'm gonna have to unplug them. Come on out of there. And then I'll just plug them back up. There we go. Plug it back up. like it. There. Not going nowhere. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Yeah, it's in there. Let's go ahead and do this one. This one should go on a lot easier than the other side. I remember that, yeah. See, that one going real easy. The other side was the hard one. But now I gotta put this last little bolt on, and then I'm done. Gotta make sure I throw all this trash away. So, like I said, this last bolt, gotta put it on, and then I'm done. And then I gotta try and find that other one. I don't know where the other one went. But go ahead and give y'all the picture real quick. So this is what it looked like now. Y'all cannot tell me, bro. Them headlights look so good, man. Look at it. Now just wait until we throw that KVD front bumper on. Like I said, we gotta put the OEM back on for now because, I mean, I haven't painted the KVD front bumper, which is right here. You know what I'm saying? So I have to put the OEM one back on until I go ahead and paint my KVD front bumper. So like I said, man, y'all let me know what y'all think. Smoked out fogs with the smoked out headlight. Well, actually, let me get in the sun. You see? Y'all see the vision, man? Smoked out headlight, smoked out fog light. I'm thinking about ordering another mesh grill, but in black this time, because my SRT lower grill, the lower grill that go here, is gonna be black. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't find none though. I mean, I could order a mesh overlay, but I still have to have that lower part of the grill. So regardless, I had to have it. So I'm not getting no mesh overlay. So I'm thinking about just getting a black grill, and in that way that'll all be black, and then my headlights smoke, my fog light smoke, tail light smoke, and then like I said, get that chrome out of here and put it black. That's what I'm thinking I'm gonna do. Don't know yet, don't know for sure, but that's what I'm leaning towards. And if I do that, then it's gonna be a little bit longer before this bumper gets put on this car, because I'd rather put the grill on while the bumper is off. That way I can put them screws in the back, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but this is, like I said, this is the image. I gotta tighten up that bolt, put them 2 clips in, pop the hood back, put that 1 clip on. Actually, do that real quick. All right, pop the hood back, put that 1 clip on. All right. I'm gonna get one of these clips and put that newer clip up here on top. Alright, here go that newer one. That way I can push down on it, you know, because trying to go from the side of the wheel, yeah, that's not easy. Now to push down. Here we go. See? Look at how that worked out. I'm gonna fix this one too over here. While I go on here, got the hood pumped back up. I'm gonna fix this one over here. If I can get it up. So, like I told y'all, I gotta get some more clips so I can make sure that this will all be good. Don't have to worry about that no more. So I definitely gotta get some more clips. But like I told y'all, man, this is it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it with the front bumper on, the new headlights. Bro, they look so good. They look so hard, bro. I'm telling you, I love these headlights. Now, if y'all want to see the animation of them, you gotta go check out the video where we installed these headlights. I'm not gonna do it in this video because y'all need to go watch that video, and then y'all see how the animations is. So yeah, man, that's the end of this one. I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. All right, y'all, man, that's gonna be the end of this one, man. Very productive day, you know what I'm saying? Got my headlights on, drilled out the holes for the KVD front bumper, got the mock it up and test fit it, and it fits beautifully, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it fits so good. And what else I do today? Oh, and we mocked up the front lip, so I know how that's gonna go. I took pictures and stuff. But man, I'm telling y'all, bro, this car is really doing a full 360, no cap, bro. Or should I say full 180? It's like turning a whole different direction. So I should say 180. 360 come right back to the same. So this car is doing a full 180, bro, no cap. Like, everything is looking so good. Y'all know the rear end is, I think I'm done with the rear end. You know what I'm saying? I think the rear end is pretty much done. I don't want to change my spoiler. I like the OEM spoiler that come with this car, and I didn't add that. When I bought the car, it came with it. So that's the OEM spoiler. When I bought this car, it was completely stock. You feel me? I'm the one who did these little custom touch, like painting a little pieces in the interior, aftermarket radio, aftermarket full bezel. Like, I bought this whole bezel when I was still in high school. So everything that's been done to this car, I done. You feel me? When I bought this car, it was full stock OEM. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, like I said, very productive day. We got to see how the KVD bumper looks, and bro, it looks so good. I got a few pictures of it. It looks so good on this car, bro. So good, bro. I cannot wait. I'm telling you, I cannot wait to get that fully on this car. Painted, primed, sanded, everything done. Front lip put on it, you know what I'm saying, with the new headlights. Now, like I said, ain't too much I gotta get left. I spent a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? I done spent a lot of money, dog, getting this stuff, but in the end, man, it's definitely gonna be worth it, bro. No, it's really gonna be worth it. Just like I said, I cannot wait to actually do the full walk around video where you feel me, when the car is finished, when everything is done. Now I'm probably gonna do that video before we try to wrap the car or anything, you feel me, because like I told you, it's gonna be a little while before I try to wrap this car. So we're gonna do the full walk around before the car gets wrapped. That's why I'm trying to paint this KVD bumper red, just in case if I don't even wrap this car, you know what I'm saying, at least the front bumper will still be painted, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, man, we got the OEM bumper back on. Like I said, I'm gonna try and paint and prime tomorrow the KVD SRT front bumper, but I'm for sure priming the Cutlass bumper tomorrow, hopefully. Hopefully. So make sure y'all hit that like button though. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Keep growing and elevating together. Let me know what y'all think about all the videos I've done so far, you know what I'm saying, on this car. And how y'all feel about version 2.0, makeover 2.0. You feel me? This little series I'm doing of customizing this car. Because y'all know I done customized the box Chevy. I done started on a Cutlass. Why not do this one too? You know what I'm saying? It's the car I drive every day. Why not customize this one? So yeah, man, we really underway. Like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think. I done put a bag in this so far, you feel me? I mean, ain't a huge bag like people be spending on building race cars, but I spend a lot of money, you know what I'm saying, especially for me not working, you know, so, which is my fault. But then again, I'm in school now. School done started, and I got my focus fully in that right now, besides, you feel me, recording this content for y'all. But other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoy. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.